Hello there, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at the Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the Tech Travel Geeks unboxing of the vlog camera from Sony called the ZV-1, or the ZV-1, depending on which market you're in. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube. So this camera was ordered online and has taken a while to reach me, but I'm now excited to show you the Sony ZV-1. So as you can see, as it arrives from eGlobal Central, it is really quite well packaged and in bubble wrap, as well as a hermetically sealed plastic bag. And there's the box itself. Now, I'm going to put this aside. Here we go. So this is an investment I made to improve the videos I'd make on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. And as you can see, it's a compact camera made for vloggers. And the main feature, as you can see from the packaging, is that flip out screen, so that I'll be able to see myself when recording talking head to video. And it will hopefully make Lukash's job much easier when he's editing our content and putting it together. So packaging is quite straightforward. It's a cardboard box with loads of specifications and languages on the box. So I can just see there's English and Italian, as well as French and German and Spanish on the box, and a series of accessories that you can purchase for the device. On the side, loads of brands and buzzwords: Zeiss, the lenses, the Exmor sensor, Bion Z-X, which is apparently an engine, software engine that makes the pictures look better. I have no idea what XAVC-S is. 4K HDR is probably how you're going to be watching this video on your TV or your PC. It has Wi-Fi and memory stick. Oh, okay. I thought they had phased those out years ago. I was expecting SD, but we'll open it up and see what's inside the box. I will be following up this video with a specific one on setup. And wow, lots of pamphlets in lots of different languages. So this is really a very international product. I'm sure I will read those later. Even more of them. And what's this? Leaflet advertising the accessories for the cameras. Okay then, so this is old style packaging for a camera. Reminds me of cameras that I used to work with years ago. Let's start with the camera itself, or shall we start with the accessories? It's not a live video, so let's start with the accessories. So, photographers call these dead kittens. Now, this is an accessory that reduces wind, the effect of wind noise on the microphone. This is because the Sony ZV-1 has a very good microphone, apparently, on the top of it. It's a directional microphone. So this is for vlogging, being able to reduce wind noise whilst you're using that camera live. Okay, so I'll put that aside. There is a USB Type-A to micro USB cable. Welcome to 2020, where micro USB is still a thing, not only among phone manufacturers, but camera manufacturers as well. And oh, there's the all-important thing, the Sony NP-BX1 camera battery. So this is a battery, a 1240 milliampere battery, which allows your camera to function. And from what I've been watching on other YouTube videos about the setup and use of the camera, you'll also need to have that inside the camera to use the camera whilst it's powered by USB or with HDMI in it. So I'll put that aside. Now for the most important thing in the package, the Sony ZV-1. So it's a soft touch plastic bag that it's in, and this is the camera. It's quite chunky. It's chunkier than I was expecting, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. So you can see at the front the retractable lens, the Zeiss optics, and the vari-sonar, whatever that means. The Zeiss brand, the Sony brand, all important. And nice little rubber clip on the front of the camera, which makes it easy to hold with one hand. Now on the back you'll see the lovely big flip out screen, little menu wheel, and where on a normal point and shoot camera you would have the shutter button, on this camera you have the record button, because this is optimized for video. At the top you can also see there's a zoom controller as well as a shutter button for the camera itself. There is a button, this is what is known as bokeh button, which means that it will focus on what's in front of the camera, the person that's in the camera, and do a bit of blurring of the background. On-off button and mode button, so not much to shout out about there. What I'm going to do is put the Sony NP-BX1 battery into the Sony ZV-1 camera. Sony really do like their lettering. So this should go in this way, and as you can see this is an original Sony battery with a really cool little hologram on the underside and a memory card slot, which I will add a memory card in as part of the setup process. So there we go. So that's how the camera feels in hand with the battery in it. The memory card should be negligible difference. It's not too heavy. It's my first impression is this is really quite manageable. And this is the all-important flippy out screen. So you can use this whilst you're pointing and looking at things. If you want to angle the camera down, it will work that way. So overall, I'm quite excited about how this is going to go forward in terms of my experience with it. I will be following up this video with a separate video about the setup, so I'm going to be inserting a memory card, going through the setup of the camera. So please do keep an eye on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. We will be releasing that video shortly after this one. But for now, I think that's quick unboxing. As you can see, all the accessories, including the battery, are in the device. That was what was in the box. I have purchased some extra accessories that I will be using in the setup video, such as a memory card. We'll discuss that in the next video. But for now, thank you for watching this unboxing of the Sony ZV-1 video vlog camera. And if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Thanks for watching and goodbye.